Good morning everyone. Today in this video, I want to discuss about the physiology of the hearing. Last video already we have discussed about the anatomy of the ear. Before going to physiology of the ear, first we have to know what are the parts present in the ear. Why? Because these all are the parts working together and taking sound vibrations from the external environment and sending to the brain. Human being's ear is dividing into three main parts. One is external ear, middle ear and inner ear. The external ear also containing three parts. One is pinna, external auditory canal and tympanic membrane or eardrum. Coming to the middle ear also having three main parts. Auditory ossicles made up of three main bones, malleus, incus and stapes. And also oval window and eustachian tube. Coming to the inner ear, it is also having three parts, semicircular canals, vestibule and cochlea. These all the parts are present in the human being ears. These all parts are vibrating and sending vibrations to the external ear to the brain. Now we will see what is the process of hearing here. The first external ear is receiving the all type of vibrations, waves from the external environment, especially with the help of pinna. The pinna is playing a vital role. The first role the pinna is playing, it is receiving the all type of sound waves. Whatever sound waves are coming from the external ear, that is music or something, any words, any sentences also coming from the external ear. The pinna is receiving the sound waves. And the pinna is sending these waves, vibrations into the next part, that is auditory, external auditory canal. The external auditory canal is present between the pinna and tympanic membrane. The main work of this external auditory canal is, it is taking these waves, sound waves into the next part, that is the tympanic membrane. The tympanic membrane is also called as eardrum. The eardrum or tympanic membrane is a transparent structure and also it is having vibrating when the air vibrating inside of the external auditory canal. Along with these vibrations, the tympanic membrane also starting vibrations. And it is playing a role like a drum. Okay, this is the main function of external ear. And next role is the middle ear. The middle ear is filled with the air and it is receiving the vibrations, sound waves, vibrations from the tympanic membrane. This tympanic membrane is having connection with the auditory ossicles. With the bones it is having the connection. The first bone is called as malleus. This malleus bone is receiving these vibrations from the tympanic membrane and transferring to the next part, that is the incus bone. This incus bone is receiving to the vibrations from the malleus bone and sending to the stapes. This stapes is the smallest bone is present in the middle ear. This stapes is receiving the vibrations and sending to the next part, that is the oval window. Now this oval window is playing a vital role in this part. It has to send these vibrations or waves into the inner ear. But inner ear is filled with the fluid. Middle ear is filled with the air and inner ear is filled with the air. That's why the oval window keep this so much of pressure to send these vibrations into the inner ear. Why? Because it is filled with the fluid. So that's why 20 times more pressure it is keeping than the tympanic membrane. With the pressure, the oval window is sending vibrations into the next part, into the cochlea especially. In the cochlea, so many parts are present, like perilymph, endolymph will be present, vestibular cochlea also is present, vestibular nerves and cochlear nerves also present, and with the help of this perilymph, these waves, these vibrations are entering into the cochlea. And in the cochlea, there is a special structure also is present. It is a hair-like structure is present. Hair cells are present in the place of cochlea. External hair cells will be there. Internal hair cells also will be there. With the vibrating of these hair cells, there is a generating of the impulses are present. In the cochlea, hair cells are present. With the help of hair cells, the nerve impulses are going to be generating. And these nerve impulses are entering into the brain with the help of auditory nerves and vestibulocochlear nerves. Now these vibrations or waves is reaching to the brain with the help of these two nerves, and in the brain our waves or vibrations are forming like a sound. Like this, we are listening the all type of sounds. Like it is a music also, a very high pitch music or any low pitch sounds also we can able to listen with the help of brain. And in the brain, all parts are there like hypothalamus, midbrain. These all are working together, and these vibrations are forming like a sound. And again, it is sending to the cochlea. The cochlea is playing a vital role here. It is sending all type of vibrations into the brain. Okay, this is about the physiology of hearing. This is the hearing process in the all type of human beings. I hope you all are understand about the physiology of the hearing. Thank you.